What's up, guys? It's me, Ethan Rossi, and today, how was your Christmas? Comment down below, how was your Christmas? And today, I'm gonna show you what I got for Christmas. And you're asking Ethan why you're chewing something. I got gum for Christmas, and it's pretty minty. Pretty cool. And today I got the Xbox One S. That's it right there. And I got a poster right there. And guys, I got something really cool. It sounds like one of those poppers, like a firework. Yeah, you just heard that, right? And I got these. I got these, guys. Ready, guys? I got a pellet gun. This is my pellet gun, guys. Pretty nice. Okay, it's actually a pellet gun and a BB gun at the same time. You see? BBs, sorry guys, BBs, pellets, and with some safety glasses. And yeah, and I got this flashlight right here, and it's bright. Ready, guys? And boom. It's actually bright for y'all. Comment down below, how bright is that? And today, I'm gonna show you how loud this is. You know, and y'all can see the barrel, right? It's pretty dope. And yesterday, comment. Okay, guys. Yesterday it was my dog's birthday. This is my dog right here. He's 3 years old. Guys, comment down below and support him and tell him happy birthday, Cooper. Comment down below. Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And click that bell if you will get notifications. And yeah. And today, so yeah, it's about to be sunset, but I'm gonna show you what this does. Hey guys, this is my pellet gun here, and okay, the pumping for this is you have to go up to 10 to 20 pumps. Yeah guys, ready? Rocket loaded. Okay guys,